Sound effects! And it's the game for James and Raychel. And you guys have been making our show great. Your suggestions have been great, and the volunteers have been great, and now you are called one more time to serve. 2 volunteers. This time, a little more productive. You. Yes, you currently in the glasses. I need one more. You have
Who else?
You have it. That man!
That man!
There, yes. Okay. James and Raychel are going to be in a scene, and you two are going to provide their sound effects. Don't worry. You can't do this. Let's see. What's your name, sir?
Sam.
Sam, you will be providing the sound effects for James. And you, sir?
Devin.
Devin for Raychel. Give it up for Sam and Devin. Right. Let's give James and Raychel they are somewhere. They're out there in the world. Give me the name of a celebrity.
Britney Spears.
Britney Spears. Where, give me, where does Britney Spears, get lost? She's traveling across the country, where does she turn off? And
Library.
Cleveland, Ohio. The library. I like the library. It's like a night at the library. Okay, let's see a night at the library in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
I need to get the oldest dictionary if I'll just wheel this along. Excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am,
I'm sorry, my shoes squeak. What was it you're saying?
I need to get the top dictionary. If you'll just step back. My goodness, there was a mouse caught in the wheel.
Okay, here. Well, the oldest dictionary that we have.
Yes.
Why I'm yelling in a library. The oldest dictionary we have.
Yes.
It's not actually up there.
Oh.
But down there.
Oh.
Here. Go down into the vault. Climb down 3 flights of stairs. Past the 2-headed dog.
Will you come with me?
Yes, I'll come with you. Oh, my foot is caught. My foot is... Is that the dog? Sorry. So there goes the 2-headed dog. Now, we must answer the gatekeeper.
The gatekeeper?
Yes, here he is, right here.
Wow.
Who disturbs my slumber?
That'd be us.
Oldest dictionary.
Please.
Webster's first.
Which edition?
The first. Webster's first edition.
First edition. Coming right up.
Whoa! Nice catch.
That's amazing.
Hey, can I have the original Beowulf?
Perhaps. If you do one thing, for me.
What?
Could you scratch my back? It's terribly itchy.
Sure. Let me get out my chainsaw. Just say.
Yeah, that's a
Courtright.
that's a whoopee saw.
Wait. I've got this. I really want this copy of Beowulf. What else can I use? Here.
Hey.
Cat. Meow. Ready?